picked up this generator real cheap on an auction, and it says that it runs, but it really only runs with the choke on. If you turn the choke off, it dies. I'm thinking it's a carburetor problem, so let's dig in. So, something to do with fuel delivery. Alright, so this one, if you look, there's a little bit of light that's showing through. Not a whole lot. I'm going to hit it with the air compressor too. Much brighter now. Let's see how many turns this throttle, the idle, goes down to. 1, 2, 3. And we'll take this jet out, see what that looks like. Oh, maybe if I can get it past that idle screw. There we go. Wow, you can't see through this one at all. Thinking that might be our problem, boys and girls. Alright, we're going to try to clean this out. Alright, this one's all cleaned up. It's got 3 holes in it. Let's see if that can focus. 1, 2, 3 there, and then 1 on the tip. So, spread that out, clean that up. This one looks important. Count this one down. Oh. Oh my. Somebody over tightened that, I think. Well, see, that's in there. All the way. Well, that's the only problem I see, is that this was tightened all the way down. Guess we'll put it back together and see how it runs. We'll probably have to back this one out a little bit. 1, 2, 3. adjust the idle screw. Alright, so the idle screw is up a little too high, but we need to adjust the air fuel mixture, which is the one that's broken off, I think. So I guess let's take it off and then back it out just a smidge. Okay, we'll back that out about a half a turn, since the head of the screw broke off. I think there might have been another shade tree mechanic working on this before we got it. Alright, here comes that fun part where we have to hold everything together. I'm going to see what it does under load. So my hopes was to get this for bow fishing, and I do have some lights that aren't necessarily designed for that, but we're going to jimmy rig it anyway. Shop vac overloaded it. Well, I think if we adjust that a little bit more, it might be able to withstand that. I guess if it can withstand that, then it should be able to handle any sort of light situation I've got going on, right? Right. If I could just use a screwdriver to adjust this. That thing is backing out as it runs. Huh. That ain't right. Yeah, there's actually like glue or something on that. Well, that's our problem. Could do is maybe sharpen the point. Can probably get a new carburetor if I need for this. What we're going to do is just lightly sand this point. It was already redneckified. Look at that. It's got a layer of glue right here because the top wasn't doing anything. Just realized that my storage card was full on my camera, but as you can see behind me, I've got the generator running, the choke is off, it's got the lights on, so it struggles with a big power load of the shop vac, but it kind of works. There's a lot of juice that has to be. I did plug in my air compressor as well, and it compresses air. It doesn't work as well as regular outlet, of course, but I think it's a success. Gotcha. Ah.